Empowerment in a space like this looks like our girls owning who they are, being comfortable in their own skin, being unafraid to expand and stretch, and not going into the same patterns of shrinking or hiding who they truly are. I think empowerment for a Black girl looks like being all of who she is in a space like this, and being championed and celebrated by her sisters who see her gifts, who see her talent, who see her light, and give her permission to be everything that a Black girl can be.